I got another one for you. Imagine turning your love for virtual worlds into a lucrative side hustle. From making games that captivate thousands to designing unique virtual items that everyone wants to wear. Ready to create entertainment while earning some shmoney? Then let's get started. Hello, my name is Cece and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side money and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hit it! Number 14, making money with Roblox. We have discussed how to make money from playing video games on platforms like Game Champions and Kick. And if you're a fan of online gaming, I bet you heard of Roblox. And hey, for my hustling gamers who's never heard of Roblox, it's a huge online game platform and game creation system developed by Roblox Corporation that allows its users to program and play games created by themselves or other users. It's so popular that as of March 2024, it has 77.7 million daily active users worldwide. With a platform that popular, you know I'm going to find a way to make $1 from it. Now, I didn't find one way. I found 3 ways you can make some side money with Roblox. Before we start, the way you make money on this platform is through their own currency that needs to be converted into cash through their Developer Exchange Program. Roblox Developer Exchange Program is their way of enabling users who earn enough Robux to convert those Robux into real bucks. To sign up for the program, you just need to be older than 13 years of age, have a minimum of 30,000 earned Robux in your account, have a verified email address, valid DevX portal account, an invitation is sent after review of your first submitted DevX request, and community member in good standing, and have complied with Roblox term of use. Now let's start with number 3, working for companies on Roblox. One such company is IKEA, who hired 10 full-time paid employees for its new virtual store on Roblox, which opened on June 24th. This is a unique opportunity where you can get paid to help customers in a digital world, making its IKEA first step into mainstream gaming. Open to residents of the UK and Ireland who are 18 years or older. These remote jobs pay £13.15, which is equivalent to about $16.82 US currency per hour, similar to what real-life IKEA employees in London earn. And if you love gaming and furniture, this could be a fun way to earn money while helping people design their virtual spaces. Number 2, game asset creation. On Roblox, you can create your very own online video games you can play with others. While the game you create are free to Roblox users, you can create and charge users for assets for those games. This allows for developers like you to earn a living and continue creating great content, all while letting everyone enjoy the games for free. Number 1, clothing sales. Now, these types of clothing you won't find in Target or Walmart. You can sell digital clothing that can be worn by the many players, avatars who buy your clothing. This allows the people like Kaisa Watson to make over $100,000 a year from selling Roblox clothes. Thank you for watching. I really mean it. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you're going to try this side hustling on Roblox. Yes. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.